For the day one, we went to the farm to uproot cassava. So here is when we arrived in the morning. We're looking around, yeah, just to show you the view of the farm. And yep, we got to work immediately trying to uproot the cassava. We've planted them since last year, but it's now we are uprooting them. So here is my sister uprooting cassava, and of course getting to work so that we can quickly uproot them before the sun comes out to disturb them. Up to this point, we have done a lot of work. We have uprooted many cassavas, and we are packing them and putting them in one place so that we know the quantity we have uprooted. So before we dive fully into cassava work, we also went to uproot yam, so that we're going to prepare a nice food when we get home that day. We also got vegetables, the water leaf, and of course we got back to work, to the uprooting of the cassavas and all that. I can assure you it's not an easy task, but it is what it is. So at this point, we've taken it home to peel the cassava and get the good part so that we can go and grind it. Sorry, I didn't show you the process that we go and grind and all, because it was already night, and wow, I was so tired. So
want to go and carry our Garri.
And then it began again. We pack it out from where it was pressed down so that they are going to grind it for us once more before we take it home to go and start frying the Garri. They have to grind it once more after grinding it the first time so that it's going to be smoothing out, and we are going to be able to filter it to take out the sticks and the dirty ones that are there. So the Garri was, I think it was 2 bags. No, it was 3 bags. Yes, 3 bags and not 2. So this is the process on how we took it out and all that. The next thing we did was transported the filtered, the grinded cassava home to go and filter them. Then the preparation for the frying started. We had to make, my dad made this thing for us. He made the fire, put the pot and all that. So here is my sister getting ready to start frying Garri, and here is Dorcas filtering the Garri that we need already. So, and here is me, of course, taking pictures to show you the process and all that. So the preparation is going on. They have to put the zinc for us, so in case rain falls or any stuff like that, so that we wouldn't be affected when we are frying. So the fire is already burning. The Garri is, we have already started frying the Garri. And then it's my turn. I took up the fire to start, of course, to relieve my sister a bit, and wow, the fire actually made me cry. I tell you, this type of work aren't easy at all. Those women are trying, the men doing this work, they are really trying. Like, I can boldly say it anywhere, they are really trying. It's not an easy task. So we are still there frying the Garri, going, and of course eat. So this type of works you need the strength. So we have to prepare beans and yams to eat that day. It's actually rhyme with the stuff, beans and Garri, beans and yam with Garri. it's a good combination. So okay, our first bucket of Garri is ready, and oh my god, see fresh Garri, see white Garri. I mean, I did this, we did this, we really did this. It's so amazing that after hard work, when you see your results, you are so proud of it. I mean, this is so stressful, but at the end of the day, when the Garri is out and all that, while we're drinking, it's like really relieving to know that we can really do these things for ourselves and all that. And of course, the frying still continues because, like I said, it's 3 bags and I'm not even sure if we're going to complete it today. Even along the line that day, the rain disturbed us. I mean, thank God for the zinc. If not, we would have run away. To have just spoiled our job that day. It disturbed us, but the zinc didn't allow it to touch where we were frying the garri, so we just proceeded with our work. Even though there was cold and all that, we cannot abandon it, so we had to proceed with it that day. Along the line, night time came, we were still there. We didn't start early, so we couldn't finish the 3 bags of the garri that day, so we had to just round up around 10 p.m. then continue the rest the next morning, because wow, the time is already far spent and we still have like 2 bags of garri to fry, so we just had to round up that day for us to continue the next day. Okay, so we are back here again the next day to fry the garri, to just finish up what we are doing, because it's not that much again. We've done this much this morning, so it was actually faster than the previous day because we are well rested already, and of course the feeling, the fact that we even know that it's almost finishing is giving us the motivation to do it very fast so we can get over with it, because I won't lie to you, we are extremely tired. Oh, we are finally done.
Done with our garri.